Our topic today is something we all need to know: how to update Google Chrome. It's crucial to keep your browser updated to ensure you're getting the best performance and security. First, let's open Google Chrome. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see three vertical dots. That's your gateway to Google Chrome settings. Once you've clicked on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to navigate down to the Help option, which is near the bottom of this list. Hover over the Help option and another menu will pop out to the side. Click on About Google Chrome. This is where you can see the current version of your browser. In the About Google Chrome section, the browser will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading it immediately. After the update is downloaded, you will need to relaunch your browser. Just click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and reopen, bringing you right back to where you were. And there you have it. You've successfully updated Google Chrome. Remember to do this regularly to keep your browsing experience safe and smooth. Thanks for watching.